Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott wave analysis. Today I want to talk about the Nasdaq. Right. So over here, I've identified this 7th of April bottom, right, as the start of a new wave, right, and then from here you can see from the black color circle, right. So this one is the Bramby count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right. So over here, if you look at this wave 5 to wave 1, right, it's actually a 1:1. So then the reason why I do this because wave 1 is the longest wave, and that means that wave 5 cannot be longer than wave 3. So the maximum it can go is actually 1:1. So it fit nicely into this 1:1 measurement, right? And over here, if we zoom in, right, you see the 30th of August, so 30th of October last year, right? So it's actually a spinning top reversal, and actually we have two spinning top, right? So candlestick wise, this is a reversal point also, okay, right? So then this being our peak, what happens since then is that we can identify another five wave down, right? So this five wave down itself, uh, let me just bold this, make this wave thicker, right? So the five wave down itself is actually a leading diagonal. Why? Because the wave 4 actually goes into the territory of wave 1. Okay, so this is our first wave down, right? So this first wave down actually ended on 21st of November. And what happens since then is we actually have a very long correction, right? This ABC as a wave 2. So this ended on the 28th of Jan 2026. Now what happens since then, right? This a peak here, right, for wave 2 goes down, we actually have a subwave 1 of 3, right, then a subwave 2 of 3. Now if I go in to the hourly, I actually have the breakdown for the waves here. Okay, you see over here you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 3, wave 4, and then a wave 5. So this is when you zoom in, right, you can see the breakdown of this wave 1 of 3, and then we have a wave 2 of 3. What happens then now is that we actually have this subwave 1 down, wave 2, and I believe we are going to a wave 3 of 3 down. Okay, so let me just zoom out again. Okay, as you can see, the first support point will always be the previous wave 4 low, right? So from here to this bottom, we have about 2,000 points for Nasdaq, right? So if this is a wave 3 of 3, it should be reached quite soon, right? Start of around March, start of March, right? Right. So then this will be the first support point before eventually, I expect it to go down even more, right? During the second half, going into the second half of the year, right? So from March to July or August, right, we should see it going down to this previous wave for, or rather the start of the final wave. Okay, those. So from here down, actually, there is I would say there is about 8,000 points, 8,500 points at this entire move, right? So from here to here, 2,000 point first, right? Before the rest of the 6,500 points. So that's it for Nasdaq, right? But if you want to trade these, then where would be a good stop loss point, right? So I would say that be more conservative, put it here. Of course, what happens is that it can go to this could be a A, B, and then a C to go up, right? So yeah, keep your sizing appropriate to your risk, right? So for me, if I trade this, I'll put it slightly higher than here, right? But if I go into the lower time frame, right, I can see whether I can find a better point, right? So over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So for now, if you think that this is the wave 2 already, then you can shift this down, right? But if you got cut off, right, get stop out, you must be prepared to enter again. If not, the more conservative one is to put it slightly higher than wave 2 of 3. Okay, because if it goes up, then definitely we know that there's a wave C coming, and then we can use measurement rules to see maybe it can go to 35,950 around there before you do another shot. Okay, so this is the approach that I prefer, to put the stop loss here. Okay, but for the more aggressive trader, right, depending on how the market open on Monday, right, you can even place it slightly above here, 34,900 for those more aggressive trader, right. No matter what, you adjust your risk properly. Okay. So this is the big picture for Nasdaq. I expect it to go down in the short term to 22,700, and then the longer term 16,300, right around there. Okay, so that's it for now, and good luck.